Hi everyone, the topic for today is buying a business. So if you are buying an established business and the vendor has presented you last year financial and it says that okay, my profit is very good, I am earning $300,000. This is a very good business. I am retiring, that's why I am selling the business, otherwise I would not have sold the business. It's making too much money, you must buy it and I am giving very cheap. Okay, now what things you will check quickly, you will check uh, just to establish whether he is giving correct reports or not. So I've just mentioned few things, there is long list but I have mentioned few things. You check his sales figure in his financials. Let us say, just an example, he has shown sales of 200,000 in a year, just an example, but you estimate that his weekly sales is only $2,000. His sales $2,000 weekly comes to around 100,000 a year. Then how come he is showing in his financial 200,000? It is something wrong. It means the sales is it has gone down. There is some issue in that. Okay, the sales is the biggest point to start. Then the other thing is rent. In his financial, he has shown rent of 50,000 he has paid as rent in last year, but his current invoices of rent, his weekly rent is $2,000, which comes to around 100,000 in a year. Then how come he has shown less expenses? So he has shown less rent. Rent is your biggest factor. Then salary. In his last year financial, he has shown a salary of 100,000, but what he told you that he has 3 full-time staff. So 3 full-time staff you can't keep in 100,000. Salaries have gone up. You cannot have 3 full-time staff in 100,000. Something not possible. So again, this is a thing which you have to check. Something fishy. Then last but not the least, his sales is 200,000. His cost of goods sold is about 20%. So he says shown sales of 200,000 and the cost of goods sold is 20%, which is around 40,000. But the industry standard is 40% cost of goods sold, which means if he's selling 200,000, then the cost of sales should be 80,000, cost of raw material basically. So again, he is hiding the cost, so he is reducing the cost to jump up the profit. So these are the basic things you will quickly check just to establish that he is doing something wrong, or is the financial you think they are correct, or they represent a current picture. So these 4 or 5 figures you will quickly check just to establish the accuracy of last year financials. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any other information, if you want any other information, just give us a call, or you can register online and our accountants can check the financials for you, and we will reply same day. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.